Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe.
Today I received this package, and so I will be completing an unboxing as well as a review of this Micomlan LED desk lamp with clamp, architect desk lamp for home office with atmosphere lighting, 24-watt ultra bright auto dimming desk light, stepless dimming and tempering LED table light. So you can utilize this on your desk for your desk area, or you can use it for your table. Like if you do crafting like I do, you can use it for that. So let's go ahead and unbox this and take it out of the box. I can say that it arrived safely, no damages, and I like the way they do have it packaged here. So it does come with some instructions as I'm showing you here, and it does come in more than one language. So just follow the step-by-step instructions. The instructions are very simple to go by. Here we have our power adapter here. It was well packaged by itself. So we will need this piece. This piece is very important in order for your light to be able to work. Now let's take out our LED lamp. Very nice. Very nice, very sturdy. It's not flimsy at all. So let's look into this. Let's see how we are able to operate this lamp. So right now I am stretching it out because as you can see, it's retractable and rotatable. Now here is the clamp, and this clamp is what's going to help you to hold it onto your table or to your desk. It is very secure. It does not damage your desk or your table. It has a high stretch, dampened shaft, and it has an aluminum lamp body. So I'm taking it down to the length that I needed to be able to secure on my table. Now let's plug it in. Let's plug it in. Let's get some light going here. So as you can see, it is secure on my table. See, it's retractable and adjustable and rotatable. And so those are all of your functions there. You'll turn one on at a time. You have one on the right and you have one on the left. It has an auto dimming mode, and you have it whereas you can adjust the brightness as you see here. And I believe the maximum working height is about 28.5 inches. So I'm loving this on my table. I was doing some arrangements here, so I needed the extra light. So this worked perfect for me. It has ambient lighting and smart light sensor. So this is perfect for extra lighting. It's very, very bright, very, very secure. It doesn't take up a whole lot of space either. Again, this would be perfect for your crafting room, perfect for your office as well too. And all you need to do is do a light touch, and you can change your dimming. You can turn it on to the left, you can turn it on to the right, one at a time, and you can control your modes and you can control your brightness. And it is perfect for my space. If you all are interested in this LED lamp, please click on the link in the description box and it will take you straight to Amazon for you to purchase. And I promise you will not go wrong, because this LED lamp has created a super bright lighting for the area that I am working in.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle.